Hello everyone, welcome to another Trenity demo. In this demo, we'll be talking about asset permissions in Trenity. Trenity is a self-hosted platform for managing data, projects, users, and file transfers in secure or trusted research environments. For this demo, I have logged in as a standard user. We're going to head now to the Asset Manager module, and I'm going to click on that. If you remember, in my previous demo, I logged in as an admin, so I had access to all the assets within the TRE. But because I've logged in as a standard user, I can only view assets that I've got access to. And each of these assets, the logged in user has got different permissions, and that is what I want to show you. We're going to start with asset 44, where the logged in user has got a standard member access. So because of his access, a number of tabs are unavailable to him. So a standard member of an asset can only see the overview, the files tab, the discussion, and the updates. And you can see that a number of functionalities are unavailable to standard access users. We're going to go back to another asset now and take a look at the steward permission. We're going to look at asset 41, where the logged in user is a steward. And you can see immediately that a number of tabs are now available to the logged in user. As in addition to being able to view the overview, the files, the discussion, and the updates, he can also see the access tab. And if we go into the files tab, which we're on right now, you will see that the logged in user now has more functionalities available to him. He's able to add a new folder in the files tab. He's able to upload, he's able to copy, cut, and delete files and folders from this tab. These functionalities are unavailable to users with standard access. The logged in user who is a steward to this access is able to see the access tab, where you can see all the users who have got access to this particular asset. Another important thing is the updates tab. As a steward, the logged in user is now able to add updates to this particular asset. So those functionalities are available to the logged in user because he's a steward of this asset. He's also able to see the activity tab for audit trail. We're going to head back to the assets manager and then take a look at the last example, which is asset 45. If we come into this asset, we can see that the logged in user is the owner of this asset. And because he's the owner of this asset, more tabs have become available to him. In addition to the overview, files, access, discussions, updates, and activity tab, he's also able to see the projects tab. And from here, the logged in user who is the owner of this asset can add projects to the asset. And if you remember what I said in my last video, in Trenity, access to assets are given at a project level. So because the logged in user is the owner of this asset, he can now add projects to this asset. Another security feature is that the logged in user can only see projects where he is either a member or the project lead. So when you go to add in project for security reasons, the logged in user is not able to see all the projects in the TRE, but can only see projects where he's either a member or the project lead. If I were to log in as an admin and I try to add a new project to this asset, I will be able to see all the projects in the TRE. So that is just keeping things secure. We're going to go back now, and that is just a brief demo of the asset permissions within the asset model in Trenity. So you've got three permission levels. We've got the standard member access, we've got the steward access, and we've got the owner access. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, michael@trenity.co.uk. Bye for now.